Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to change regions on FIFA Mobile. First of all, long press on FIFA Mobile application. Tap on App Info. Scroll down and tap on Storage Usage. Click on Clear Cache. Now go back and tap on Force Stop. Go back and open the Thunder VPN application. Tap on the server icon at the top right corner. Select the region you want it to connect to, like the United States. Thunder VPN is connected to that region. Now FIFA Mobile is also connected to that region. That's how you can select any region to change on FIFA Mobile. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.